Alright, so today I'm going to be doing an oil change here on my Harley Davidson Sportster. It's a 2003 anniversary edition. It's the 883 motor. Oil change on a Sportster should be the same no matter which engine you have. Anywho, so I've got a Wix filter, 3 quarts of Mobil 1 V-Twin 2050. You're going to need, just in case, vice grip, flat blade screwdriver. The first one you find, don't find the right size, just find one. Doesn't fucking matter. Some cardboard, something to lean on, because, you know, pavement is hard. One to catch drips. You need a basin of some sort for it to drain into. And tuck that right under there. And I'll bring it in. Come on, buddy, get in here. Let's see. So see if we can see it in frame. Where is it? Right there. Right there at the end of my screwdriver. There is a hose clamp. You use your screwdriver to loosen that up. And I'm gonna have to put you back over there. Because, yeah. Now, no. Anywho, you're gonna get under here with your screwdriver and you're gonna get under here with the screwdriver and loosen up this hose clamp. So you get that hose clamp out of the way. Get your catch basin thing underneath. Pull that hose off. And now your oil will drip. Pour out of that little hole. Or that hose right there. Kind of aim it down if you can a bit. There. So that'll drain. That'll take a while. So while that's draining, come around this side of the bike. Here is the oil tank. This one has a temperature gauge thingy on it. And no idea how good that actually works. I haven't tested it, it's cracked, but oil level's going down in there. As you can see, the oil was still fairly clean in here from beforehand. Anyway, so I just took that out so that this doesn't create a vacuum. Let it run out easier. And so I'm just gonna put this right, where am I gonna put it so I don't lose it? Right there. Stay. All right, back around this side. See how she's doing. It's doing good. She's just pouring out. And while it's draining, remember to hydrate, because hydration is important. It's, you know, it's warm out. And, you know, this video brought to you by Best Dad 100% Awesome Water Bottle. Alright, now that it's been, you know, a while, some time, an amount, numbers, yeah, don't do numbers much. Anywho, it's done draining. It's drained as much as it's gonna drain. Push your hose back on that little bib there. Put your hose clamp back up in there. Turn it. Slide your bucket out. Bucket full of dirty oil. Come down here. Use your much too long screwdriver. Use your much too long screwdriver to tighten that hose clamp up. Now it's time to do the oil filter, which, you know, you're supposed to have a tool to remove it, and I lost mine. I don't know where it's at. Put your little bucket there. Can you see me? Am I on camera still? Give me a look. Okay. Be sure to use a dirty rag to wipe your face. And you may have noticed my nails done in black, because, you know, Gen X. But so this is also a test and review of gel nail polish. Coworker did my nails for me with gel. It's like nail polish, but you put it under a black light and it gets hard. So anywho, I bought these little set off Amazon. It's got a tube, a nail, some O-rings, a funnel. This is for when you do your transmission thing here, for that oil. You know, the funnel so you can get the oil in the little hole. But this one is for when you take your filter out, you get the oil to go in your oil pan. And, you know, just be sure you drop that straight in the oil so that you get your tool that's supposed to keep your shit clean, dirty. And just put your cardboard under there, catch any drips that miss, which will be probably all of them at this point, the way things are going for me today. Shit. And if you're real smart, you would have some paper towel, which I had grabbed at some point, but I guess I fucked up on that one too. I'll set that there for now. See if I can get this off by hand. Alright, so yeah, I really fucked up. Let's see. I guess I'll do that thing I see them do on the TikToks. There. Will it stay? Am I gonna have to give this product a negative review because it won't stay in its spot like it should? Hey, yeah, fucking hey. This thing sucks. So when you don't have the right tools, you grab all the wrong tools. See if I can get this pipe wrench in there, on there. Right, left, righty tighty, lefty loose. Oh, I think I'm gonna get it. Oh, it's turning. So this is not the thing I seen on the TikTok. So on the TikTok, I'll take a screwdriver and jam it in there and use that to wrench it off. But a pipe wrench will do it. Get you some grip and some leverage, you're good to go. Now, hopefully I can turn this off. Anywho, so as I was saying about the black fingernails, I'm going to see how good this special polish holds up to this kind of, tasks. I want to make sure these nails hold up to this task. And now, you can't see it, but the oil's coming out of the oil filter. And it's dripping down into this little tray. And then right here down into the pan. So you hopefully don't get none all over your bike and the driveway. Except then, just, that didn't happen. No one will notice. You grab your new filter and your new oil, which you already opened up. You had this all prepared ahead of time. And you pour some of this new oil in your new oil filter. Kind of prime it up, get it ready. And you smear some of that oil all around that oil, the rubber ring here. And you want to make sure that rubber ring from the old filter stayed with the filter. If it's here and you get doubled up, that's bad. Pretty bad news for it. So, okay, so my phone shut off. So, since I don't know what got caught on camera, you have this under there. I use a pipe wrench because, wrong tool for the right job. Took off the old oil filter, poured some oil in here, and the new filter, put some oil on the O-ring, spin it on there, snug it down, wipe stuff up, make sure it's clean under there so you're not dripping oil on your driveway. Put a little cardboard under there to catch any drips, and that way if you have new drips. Then you come around the other side where your oil tank is. All right, guys and girls, humans, we're all humans here. Put your little funnel there, grab you your Mobile One V-Twin 2050 three-way protection, and it's here because it's got a picture of a motorcycle and it's a bagger. So, this is the good shit. Pour your oil in. Now the specs on this bike is 3 quarts, or right about 3 quarts. And you could probably do this without the funnel, but you're probably going to get oil everywhere. I would. I'm not that skilled. I don't even know if I am skilled at all. Here goes the 3rd quart. I know the spec is just over 3 quarts, or I believe that's what it was. So after I get this one in there, you let it sit a minute or two, and I'll start the bike up. let it cycle through, and we'll check our, well, I'll put the dipstick in. Start the bike, run at least for a couple minutes to get it to cycle, fill all through there, make sure that filter's filled up and all that, and I'll check it again. And you're supposed to check the bike, the level with it level, not leaned over, and you're supposed to check it warm. I'm still going to check it cold just to make sure, I'm not like super low or I'm causing damage. All right, so, ooh, that's up there. I might be overfilled. I don't know. I'm just wiping off some oil that, because it's a Harley. My up here stuff, oil comes out little. So right now this thing, oil's way, way, way up here. So I'm a little nervous to see what happens here. Put her in neutral. Run. Pull the choke